Hello, 2009 called and they want their style back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another I tried following blank makeup tutorial, and today I am doing Andrea Russett. Okay, and I didn't fart, that was my phone. If you haven't seen already, I have done Tana Mojo and Jenna Marbles, and today I'm doing Andrea Russett. And I'm really excited because as far as I could tell, nobody has done her tutorial yet, and literally, her tutorial was iconic. Literally, 12-year-old me was shook to the core by her makeup, and I loved it. And now that I look back, I'm like, ooh. But now I finally get to recreate her look that I absolutely was obsessed with. When I thought of this idea to follow her tutorial tonight, I literally went out and bought all of the products that I could find. I have most of them, and I did have to get like some that were similar products, but I do have some of the iconic things that she uses in this tutorial. I have seriously been a fan of Andrea Russett since she was doing the lip sync videos along with the songs. Oh my gosh, I just had flashbacks because me and my cousin used to do those videos where we would just like sing along to the songs and do like hearts. Oh, what is that? This heart! Oh my gosh, everybody was like, if you would like to see me follow along to Andrea Russett's makeup tutorial, then just keep watching. First, she goes in with this e.l.f. Brow Duo, and this is the shade Dark, and this doesn't look that dark. I'm going to be using the brush that comes in it because that is what she does as well. This is literally not going to show up. Like that. Oh my god. Oh yeah, baby. That is not the right shade. Next, she uses the L'Oreal True Match, and she uses the little powder puff thing. This isn't even a puff that it comes with, and we're just gonna pat that on. Next, I did my foundation, of course. And by foundation, I mean L'Oreal powder. Oh, you know what? This is pretty good. This is like full coverage. I understand why I didn't use anything else. Oh, the good old days when there was no such thing as contouring. Life was simpler back then. I miss the days where there was no contouring. I don't have time for contouring. I don't know how to contour. This already looks gross though. I'm throwing that away immediately. She's going in with the e.l.f. eyeliner before her eyeshadow, so I'm gonna do that as well. And we're gonna make like a really sad wing. Next, I did a little liquid liner, and I used e.l.f. e.l.f. was the homie when I was in middle school. I did my eyeliner before putting on eyeshadow. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh.
That you know, and they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
Now she goes in with the Revlon Color Stay cream eyeshadow. No! Look it! There's a fingerprint in it! What? How? Wait, the package was literally sealed. I opened the package, like there was plastic. Revlon? Like there was no way somebody could have gotten in there. It was a package like this and I had to peel the plastic off. I'm gonna scrape off the top layer with this powder puff. Ew. Ew. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the brush and just put it all over, just like slap it all over the eye. Oh! Oh! Yeah, baby. Just a little something subtle. My mom let me just leave the house like, I went to church like this. You know, the more I look in the mirror, the more I'm like, okay. Okay. Now she's taking black eyeshadow and just going in with that with her finger. Oh no. This looks so bad, and this is legitimately how it looks. It's coming together. My 12-year-old self is living right now. Now she's putting that silver in her inner corner. I literally did the inner corner highlight because she did this. This was key. I'd say they're popping. Yeah, baby. I'm having war flashbacks. Before you know it, Mayday Parade is just gonna come on out of nowhere. Why does she still look better than me? Now we're going in with the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara. I used to buy this stuff all the time. I don't even know why. Ew. This mascara just isn't doing it for me.
unless you work at CoverGirl and you're watching, then this is amazing. And I would love to be a CoverGirl.
Now she's going in with the stick concealer under the eyes. The one I have is so hard. I got the e.l.f. one.
Then I took this very cheap concealer. I just full on went for it under my eyes. I'm hurting. Yeah, baby, yeah.
We're taking a little more of that powder even though I already use this literally for garbage.
More of my powder and just put it right on top of it. Beauty gurus around the world are shook.
I don't have the eyeliner she used, but I'm going to be using the NYX black eye pencil.
And then, I'm not done yet. I then took more eyeliner because it isn't dark enough already. And last but not least, the part you've all been waiting for, concealer lips. I literally put concealer on my lips. Why?
I honestly don't think I've ever looked worse. Well, I definitely have, but I'm actually embarrassed right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to comment down below if you want to see me do any other videos. I am always open to suggestions, and I greatly appreciate them because a lot of times I don't even know what to film. I'm just here. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Like this video if you did enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
It's not like they're like the same color as your skin. They're just like if you were dead.